thought I'd do a quick little video on how to do the knots. And the best knots are to do the right over left and left over right. And with my broken wrist, this just happened a week ago, so I'm trying to get my fingers back in motion. See, they're kind of still, they look green. Anyway, yeah, they kind of look green. So let's do one right over left. And then left over right. Left, and then bring it through there. And then we'll keep continuing that way, and about 4 more. And then we'll put some batting in, and then our dollar store flag pillow will be complete.